Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a book by scanning its ISBN code to the Bookly application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the plus icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Add Single Book. After that, tap on the second option at the top, Scan ISBN Code. So you should allow the app to have access to your camera, then direct your phone to the ISBN code that you can find in the back of your book, and here it is scanned in. So as you can see, here is the title and the author of the book. As you can see, the image is not available, so if you tap on this button, you can either take a picture of it, select a photo from your gallery, or search a cover online. So if you tap on the Take a Picture button, you will be able to take a photo of the cover of the book with your phone, then click on Use Photo down below. If you scroll down, you should select whether it's a book that you have already read in the past. In that case, tap on the first option. Or if you want to read it, then tap on Book I'm currently reading. And then you have to type in the current page. After that, you should also go back, since the number of pages is a required field. So check it out and then type in the exact number of pages, then tap on Add Book down below, and here you will be able to find your new book that you are reading in the My Books section down below. You can see this icon in the left side corner, so here you can check out all of the books added to your list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.